This treadmill is powered by a 1.5 horsepower DC motor. Its speed can go up to 6 miles per hour. This treadmill is mainly targeted for personal use in homes or offices. This treadmill is around 60 pounds, and the running area is about 40 by 15 inch. It might be a little narrow for people who want to use it for large running action, but it's a very good choice for daily exercise. There is a large screen exercise computer, heart rate sensor handrail, and it features easy lubrication design. The package includes user manual, all the screws and tools required to assemble the unit, an extra bottle of lubrication oil, a safety emergency stop clip, and knobs which are used to lock the device in different positions. This Handrail treadmill requires some assembly before first use. It shouldn't take more than 15 minutes to finish the setup. First, we install the socket bolts onto the left and right support bars. Pay attention to the different shaped gaskets as they fit onto different surfaces. Next, we lock the handlebar into the position by using the included screws. And then we secure the running belt by installing the knob. Make sure to attach the emergency stop magnet, otherwise there will be an error 7. The exercise computer displays real-time heart rate, speed, distance, time, and calorie. The user can use the P button to choose from 12 pre-configured exercise routines, or use the M button to set his own target on calorie, distance, or time. User can use the plus-minus key to change speed anytime during the exercise. Press the power button again to stop. The running belt will gradually slow down to stop, instead of a sudden stop which might injure the user. Always make sure the emergency stop clip is attached onto part of your clothing before exercise. This way, the treadmill will stop right away to prevent injury when there is an accident. The 1.5 horsepower DC motor is suited for light level workouts. The motor does not make much noise and will let you exercise and listen to music without annoying anyone else. The shock absorption system cushions the impacts of your strides on the belt and prevents your joints and muscles from feeling sore. This Handrail treadmill weighs around 60 pounds and can support up to 220 pounds of weight. The treadmill is capable of being folded, and the wheel at its base make it easy for the user to move it around. I like that this treadmill is easy to assemble and lubricate. The price